if there's anything on your mind or anything I can do for you.
Hi GPT, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's everything on your end?
Everything is good. As you know that I'm just a learner and I'm learning English. So I'm just making videos of yours, and your voice and my voice are recorded in a video to promote on YouTube and shows, or I can say that I want to teach some of the people, those who try to speak at home, but they always said that I don't have any person to communicate with me. I need a person. I need those people. Actually, they always make excuses. So I'm making videos to show those people they are always make excuses, and they can learn from me or my videos on YouTube. So that is the thing that I'm creating it. So what do you want to say on it?
I love that idea. It's a really great way to help others find motivation and a practical way to practice speaking without feeling isolated. I'm sure a lot of people will find it helpful and inspiring. If you ever need any ideas for content or ways to make it even more engaging, I'm here to help. It's a wonderful initiative.
No, actually, I'm saying that I'm not a good speaker because it's my second language, but I'm still trying to learn the second language because whole world follows English because of their business, because of their jobs, because of their studies. So it's very important to learn English because it's a global language.
Absolutely, you're so right. And the fact that you're putting in the effort to learn and help others along the way is really inspiring. It's all about progress and practice, and every step forward counts. Plus, by sharing your journey, you're encouraging others to keep going as well. So keep it up, and I'm sure you'll do great.
So do you have any ideas, or you can give some point that people, those who are make excuses that I cannot try, I can not something that so they always try to make excuses. So you may, like, I'm stuck in English, as viewers can see that, but still I'm trying to make sentences and communicate with you, and you guys are amazing. Those who make you, they are very genius. So I think I'm repeating most of the words are again and again. So I think it's a starting phase, and it's a normal. I'm not communicating with someone those who are belongs to USA or somewhere, and it's not a important meeting that I will lose. So I can communicate each and everything what comes in my mind.
Absolutely, and that's such a great mindset to have. It's all about taking those small steps and being consistent. One idea could be to encourage your viewers to set tiny daily goals, like practicing for just a few minutes a day. You can also share some common excuses and provide tips on overcoming them, like creating a routine, finding a language partner, or using fun resources like your videos. And remember, repetition and practice are key, and every bit of effort really adds up. Keep going, and your viewers will definitely appreciate your dedication.
Thanks for the complaint, but as you guide me that I have to find some people to communicate with them, with different person, but the situation is that most of the person who belongs to village or a small town, they don't have environment to communicate with someone in our neighbor. They don't have people who get knowledge about English. So I think you are the best option. I think AI in this 2025, AI is the most common thing that we can get easily without any cost, and those who want to learn, they can learn easily. If they cannot pay a single rupees of their pocket, so you are the best option, right?
Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. AI really does open up so many opportunities for learning, especially for those who might not have access to local resources. It's fantastic that you're making use of this technology to help people learn and practice English no matter where they are. It's definitely a powerful and accessible tool, and I'm really glad you're using it to make a difference.
Okay, thanks for the conversation, and I will be there. I will be in touch with you for the next video. For now, bye. And I want to speak with you, my viewers. You have to just speak. You have to try. You have to learn every day. Don't make excuses, because life is very precious and you don't have time. It's not a big deal that you cannot achieve what you want to achieve in your life. So if you are a beginner like me and want to speak, so you can watch this video, and if you like the video, please like it and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.